You should always keep you a set of microfiber towels in your car. Imagine if your dog shits in your car right now. What are you gonna do? You don't have microfiber towels in your car. They're actually pretty nice. I use them to clean my windows and stuff like that. You better sponsor me. That's all I'm saying. Company who shall not be named, like Voldemort, your towels are actually pretty good. I'm sitting here waiting for my first order right now. Nothing's popped up so far. I got about a little under a half a tank right now, so I'm gonna see how far this thing gets me. Any little company where any of these little delivery apps, all it is a texting and driving simulator. You're looking at your phone constantly, trying to figure out where to go, where the clusters are, stuff like that. It's pretty funny. I got the windows clean and all that. Windows looking good. I gotta put some oil in this thing too. Distilled water. I put this instead of coolant. I'm in California, so it really doesn't matter. It's not gonna freeze or do anything like that, but it's my distilled water back there that keeps on slushing. Even when the times are high for like order volume and stuff like that, every time in my area, it always, without fail, just goes poof. Like the little clusters that they have just goes poof. I don't know why. I don't know if it's just my luck or whatever. Like I'll sit here, I'll go near like Chick-fil-A or something like that, and it always just disappears. It disappears on me every time. I've been sitting here driving, wasting my gas. Kind of impractical doing Uber Eats in a V10 Audi sedan, but you know, I'm doing it anyways. It's on a whole nother level of just bullshit and fuckery. The hell was that? I'm literally just going to sit back and relax for right now because I still haven't gotten a single order at all. This is wild.
5 hours later.
You know, I kind of hate filming in the low light on the GoPros. Let me start the car again. Ooh, this thing didn't want to start for a second. What the hell? I'm about to go get some gas or actually, I might get something to drink right quick. But I'm hitting y'all right now with multiple angles. It's like doing doggy style on Missionary in one sitting. 2 cameras, 1 car. I know you guys like that. So I actually had to branch off and do a little side quest right quick. I had to fill up the Audi with some OW40 right here. This is what I use, Mobile One OW40. I had to branch off on a little side quest though, like I was playing fucking Elden Ring or Elder Scrolls or some shit. I had to slay the boss of V10 engines, the 5.2 liter V10. I'm lucky I don't have an S85 though, that's even worse. Imagine rod bearings being a maintenance item on a car. Ooh, let's give it some RPMs. That sounds so good. Let's go to Carl's Jr. See what's going on over there. Honestly, I think at night is one of the best times to do this. It's like very peaceful. Sometimes you don't get any type of orders, but other times you do. And it's just so peaceful because a lot of times you got to drop off and around the same place and stuff like that. And sometimes the clusters stay there for so long that you're like, I might stay in this area, just go back and forth to the same little area over and over again. That's kind of what I do with one of the McDonald's that's over here. I usually just go back and forth to that McDonald's over and over again until I like get an order. But today's been like really slow, and I keep on declining some to the point where they ended up giving me this. They ended up giving me an alert and said my acceptance rate is lower in my area, which is I find to be like really stupid. Every week, consistently, because of like California's Prop 22 or whatever, that's what it says, I got $40 in my account. And this is like every week I got like $40 in my account. Like randomly Uber just puts a couple bucks in there, which is pretty nice. I have some food I gotta pick up right now for myself. My food is 14 minutes away. Why, when I'm getting food, this thing wants to give me an order? Hell no, I'm not accepting that shit. Fuck you. This thing wanted to give me an order when I'm on my way to get myself for some food because I'm hungry. Let's do a pull. Red light, red light. Slow down. Wait. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Y'all hear that? Wait. Let me give you guys a pull in a second. Watch. That Mercedes was trying to race me. Sounds like shit, dude.